So these are the HVAC units on the outside, west side of the house. They are inoperable. They are broken. Nothing works. This door, apparently, I've had 4 pest control people come here and tell me that this is one of the main access points for rats getting in. This door's never shut, it's never sealed, it's never worked. The owner, GZ, refuses to fix anything on this property. Asked her repeatedly over a year, refuses to fix anything. Now rats have gotten in the house. Rats were in here when we first moved in. Showed her the rats in the ductwork, rats in the HVAC system. Rats have tore apart the insulation and used it as bedding. Rats have gotten into the 2 HVAC units. 1 HVAC unit goes to the east side of the house. 1 stays on this side, the west side. And all the HVAC people I've had here to look at it, they've said that there are parts missing. This unit wouldn't work anyway, even if they could turn it on. And rats have gotten into this thing, have been using it as a nesting site, and as you can see, rat droppings everywhere. Old ones, fresh ones. We've trapped ourselves. We've trapped about 13 rats. And we've showed Mrs. Z the situation. She said her homeowner's insurance would not fix any of this problem. And she's expected us to live here in these conditions with rats living in the HVAC system. And of course, how are we ever going to turn on the heat or the air with this situation? Rats living in the ductwork would blow all their feces and hair up into this living room area where we're breathing the air. And super unhealthy, very, very unsanitary, very unsafe. She has refused to do anything to fix this problem. It's disgusting, and this house is a hazmat situation. It's disgusting. All this material was here when we moved in. And I'm sure rats have made themselves at home in it. It's pretty disgusting. Among many other problems at this house. Many other problems. Black mold in the house. Black mold under the sinks. Whoever buys this house is going to have a huge problem. Black mold, rat infestation. The foundation is sinking because they never installed gutters. It's all cracked. The whole foundation's sinking. All the walls, ceilings, and doors cracking throughout the inside interior of the house. They have a serious problem. Whole house needs a new foundation. I hear rats in there scratching right now.